Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on your LG Smart TV. In order to do that, you're gonna have to open the settings of your TV first, but before we do that, make sure that you backed up all the important files stored on your TV, all the important media you have stored on your TV, because all the settings, all the applications that you installed on this TV will be erased after this operation is completed. So just make sure that you have prepared for this operation. After that, press the settings button on your remote control and then go to all settings menu. Then in this menu, select General. After that, select System and then select Reset to Initial Settings. After that, enter the password to your device. If you don't know the password, default passwords are usually either 4 zeros or 1, 2, 3, 4 for Norway, Belgium, and France if you selected one of these countries during setup. Now, if you don't know which, if you want to, if these two codes don't work for you, then what you have to do is check the passwords which is specific for your TV by going to Support section. Then in Support, go to User Guide, and after that, let's go to Settings. Let's go to System, then in System open Safety, and then in Safety navigate to Reset Password. And here you can find the default password for this TV. As I said, it's for either 4 zeros or 1, 2, 3, 4 for Belgium, France, and Norway. So it might be different for you. After that, you're gonna have to navigate to the previous menu once again. So let's go to General. Then in General, select not accessibility at all, and System. And after that, let's go to Reset to Initial Settings, and let's enter our password, 4 zeros. Then OK. 1, 2, 3, 4. I probably have changed it. Then select either Reset All or Reset All except Network Settings. If you want to perform the full factory reset operation, select Reset All. And then just wait until your TV is fully reset. It's gonna take a while. And once the factory reset is completed, you will see either the language selection list or somewhat like this, the screen asking you to press the OK button on your remote to proceed with the setup process. And so that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.